Hi my nail nesties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lou and I hope you're all chickity boo today. Hello there guys, this is going to be a little quick video. A couple of things I want to share that I've received for some beautiful, wonderful, lovely nail ladies who I adore. I adore all you nail ladies and the gents out there as well. But yes, I've received a couple of little packages. One was an absolute complete surprise. I got a message just because I was going to be getting something in the post, so she thought she'd better let me know, just in case I'm going to pop out or anything like that. From the lovely Nails by Sue, from the lovely Sue, who said, "You've got a package coming tomorrow from Amazon." And I thought, oh, okay, what is it? And she says, well, it's a surprise. It's something that might help you. Now, Sue and Tracy, Pink Pixie Tips, Tracy and Joe Imaginail came here, when was it, a couple of weeks ago? Was it two? I know we met a couple of weeks ago at the cafe, Albion Cafe in Saddleworth, but they come here a few weeks before that. But I think Sue were thinking I was a little bit sort of down, and I have been a little bit, not megally, but I've just been a little bit out of sorts, and bless her, she just wanted to do something to perk me up a bit, and my goodness, did it. So I'm going to show you. I opened this package, and it was this, and I opened it up, and I thought, this is just beautiful. Even the packaging's beautiful, and it's the perfect planner company, social media content planner, the planning experts for business, life, and home. So I opened it and took it out, and I got this. You get a little thank you there. It's just gorgeous. The colour's lovely. Social media content planner. You open it. So it tells you all about it there. Social media, I'm not going to read through it all. If you want, you can do a little bit of a, in fact, I think the thing is, there we go, I was zoomed in. I didn't realise I've just finished a video doing my nails actually. And then I've gone straight onto this, so yeah. And you can have a little, if you wanted to take a screenshot, you can have a little screenshot there, and then I'll move it up and you can screenshot a little bit more if you wanted to, guys. But yeah, it tells you all about you. It's your weekly content plan. What platform best suits your business. I mean, some of it's not going to relate to what I do, because I think some of it's in relation to Facebook, and I don't use Facebook. But that don't mean I'm not going to be able to utilise it, because I am. So you open it up and you get your weekly content plan. But how fabulous. So you got your awareness days. Now we do those, don't we, in collabs and things. Promotions and offers, the month, topic of the week, and then you got your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and stories there. Well, obviously I do a little bit of TikTok and Instagram, don't really do the Facebook, but this will be useful for me for when my videos are going out, what's going out when. I do have one that it's like a whiteboard kind of thing that's on the side of one of my units. But I much prefer having something that you can write on like this, even though I've not filled anything in yet. I've purposely not done anything with it, guys, because my writing is appalling. Unless I sat and think, I want to do this really, really neat. And I just don't. So my writing's appalling, so I haven't filled any of it in. But yeah, I can use that for what I'm going to be putting, what's going to go out on what days, and just use it all as me YouTube. Could even mix it up, obviously, for me. Well, I've got 2 channels now, so it's really going to come in handy, isn't it, for me? Then you've got your grid planner there, to-do list, because, when you've got collabs coming up, or there's things that you need to buy for something, content inspiration. I do find a lot of, I get a lot of inspiration from a lot of you guys, to be fair. But I get it as well from Instagram, seeing things on there, the odd things on TikTok, or something will just grab my attention and I'll think, oh, I might be able to use that in a set of nails or something, and I can just write it down. And then you've got your, the rest of your content tracker there, look. Insights, my top performing post. Well, I wouldn't use anything like that. But I can utilise it. So every page is just like that. They're all the same. And I just think it's magic. Because like I say, you can go back as well. So my planner that I've got, it's like a whiteboard. You wipe it off afterwards. You can't go back to what you've done. And sometimes I know that you've got your videos. But I do think it's just a lovely thing to have. I just hope that I'm going to try and do my bestest writing. But my writing is terrible. But yes, thank you so much. Lovely Sue. Please go check her channel out, guys. If there's any of my lovely subs out there who are not subbed to Sue, Nails by Sue, please go over to her channel and give her a subscribe. She's absolutely amazing. She's recently trained in acrylics as well. So she's got loads of tips and things on acrylic. And she's just a wonderful lady. Lovely to, her videos are lovely to watch and she's lovely to listen to. So, yes, thank you so much, Sue. That just dreamy. And then today I have received, they won't cover my address up, I have received this. And I know who it's from. All I did were open the little bag. I've not actually pulled the envelope out, so I'm taking it out now. And it's from the lovely Rebecca at the Polished Phoenix. And it's a little sort of loyalty pack kind of thing for being a member of a channel. Anybody out there, if you guys that aren't subscribed or even members, go ahead and have a look at what she has to offer, because you can learn loads from Rebecca. She's really talented and her sets are absolutely to die for. Absolutely amazing. She does some beautiful, beautiful sets. Oh, look at that. They told me I couldn't. That's why I did. Absolutely fabulous. I love that. Oh, on a pen. That's lovely, isn't it? Very fancy, very fancy. I love that because I use, obviously, do a lot of writing and stuff with me. Not that I can't even read it myself sometimes when I do my scribble. What else have we got here? The Firebird glitter mix. So she's made her own glitter mix, which is going to be, it's going to be amazing to use that in it because it's just special, because, you know, there's only members of the lovely Polished Phoenix have got this particular glitter mix, which is absolutely fabulous. So, like I say, guys, if you're not sub to her, go ahead and sub. Go check her membership out as well. And you could be lucky enough to get one of these as well. So that's gorgeous. So I'll tip some out and have a right good look at it. Where's my little, I've got a little... here we are, look. I don't want to end up wasting any or anything. I'll tell you what I'll do. I've got a little scoop thing going on somewhere. I'm going to have to reorganise. I've got a drawer that comes out in this little unit and I put things in front of it. And then when I want to go open it, I can't open it because everything's in front of it. Let's have a look. It might be better off doing it like that. So I don't want to waste any, guys. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at it. That is beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. You've got hexes in there. Different sizes, I think. Little dot ones. Just a mixture. There, look. How beautiful is that? You've got your purples, like a deep reds and pinks, blues, rose gold. It's absolutely gorgeous, is that, isn't it? Isn't it lovely, that? A lovely thing to have. It's just a special mix, isn't it? The Firebird glitter mix. Watch your space. Tell you, this girl is amazing. She's going to be out there with stuff, I'm telling you. But I didn't need to use that, did I? So yeah, watch your space. Rebecca, you're a talented lady. Oh, it's a little post-it note, is it? Oh, aren't they pretty? Little post-it notepad. Can't beat post-it notes. So we're looking for some actually earlier. Literally, promise I will, because I've wrote it on a piece of paper. I won't show you what it all is. But I've wrote it on there. But where are my post-it notes? Now I've got some on there. Fabulous. Thank you very much, Rebecca. What else have we got? Well, I haven't even opened it. You know, usually if you get a gift or anything like that, you open the card first, don't you? Straight into gifts. Let's have a look what this says. Oh, it's really posh. Very posh. I'm going to read it myself first, guys. Have a little peek. So it might be something I always want to keep to myself. Oh, I am going to read it to you. And she's got beautiful writing. I get right jealous of anybody with beautiful writing, and she does have beautiful writing. Here we go. To Lou, the amazing brain. Blooming heck, I've never been told that in my life, let me tell you. The amazing brain of the nail world. You really are an inspiration, and I'm so happy to have you as part of my journey. I hope you love your goodies. Lots of love, Rebecca. Honestly, I'm so pleased to be part of your journey. I'm so pleased you're here with us. Let me tell you, it's amazing, Rebecca. And I just think I honestly believe you're one to watch, and you're going to go really far, darling. I really do, honestly. I just think you've got so much to offer, and, you know, you're going to be up there with the best of them. I do believe that, honestly. There's a little postcard, look. Oh, look at that. How cute. I love the theme of it all. You know, the like rustic kind of. It reminds me a bit of your what's the nail set we did? Got it on tip of my tongue. You'll know. I'll put it up there in writing because I can't think what it is. But it reminds me of that. Look at them. Oh. They're lovely, aren't they? I've got a little unit, and you can see back of the unit. I'm starting to put my stickers on there, so that's where I'll put them as well. Put them in there for now, so I don't lose them. And that in there as well. Oh, it's really cute. And then look at these. Oh, she loves the butterflies. Look. Oh, thank you for helping me grow. Oh. Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? I've got one that's a bee from Sue of these. They're really lovely, aren't they? And rather than putting them on my back, I said, oh, I hardly ever go anywhere. I've put them on my little unit thing that I've got here, and I stick them to that, you know. And that's what I'm going to do with this one. And then I see them every day. Every time I'm at my nail desk, there they are. And I can see them, rather than being on my bag and stuck outside at the sofa or something. So I'm going to put that one there. That's quite apt, actually. It's next to the bee, next to the buzzy bee that I got from Sue. And then what's this? Oh, these look like wings, phoenix wings. Oh, feathers. Oh, look at them. That's beautiful. So I'm going to need to do a set that's got these on it now, and that glitter. I'm going to need to get my this brain. I really don't have it. I sit here sometimes, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, honestly. But they're beautiful, aren't they? Absolutely gorgeous. And the silver, I love my silver. Beautiful. Thank you so much, you lovely ladies, honestly. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me too, guys. I really appreciate you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and hit it. Little click of a button. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Please hit that notification bell for future videos. I've got a few different things coming up. So yeah, please take care, everybody. Love you all to bits and bobs. And have a tickety-boo week. I don't even know when this is going to go out, actually. I just hope you're all tickety-boo. I'm tickety-boo, or chickety-boo. And I hope you all are too. Love you all to bits and bobs, like I said. Please take care, everybody. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.